session, sir. Okay, ma'am. Very good afternoon to one and all. I hope I'm audible. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Lieutenant Dr. D. Antony Arulraj, Associate Professor of PhD College of Arts and Science. First of all, I would like to thank the management of Hindustan Arts and Science College and Dr. A. Ponnayan, Principal Sir, and also our enthusiastic person, Dr. S. Anuradha Ma'am, convener of this program, and she is working as a professor and head of the Department of Mathematics. So today, agenda, we are going to discuss about Canva as an intro and Certify EM. So first, let us start with Canva. Canva is an web-based application. We can use this to create presentations, posters, Instagram posts, videos, logo designs. See, usually in later days, it is difficult to design a poster or our browsers, college browsers, all become very difficult. Even they are the computer specialized staff members, they feel too difficult to create that. Whenever we create some programs, whenever we try to conduct some programs, the hectic work of the path is creating of the posters and the invitations. But nowadays it becomes very simple by using these free applications. So let us start with the application Canva. So Canva, which helps us to create our own PPTs. So whenever we go for PowerPoint presentation, when you get into Microsoft PowerPoint, the limitations of the background slides, there are limitations. So that we are not able to give more vibrant backgrounds or more interactive backgrounds. But this presentation, this Canva gave a presentation with great backgrounds. You can select the backgrounds whichever you like. So there are more backgrounds are available. Let us start with the presentations and let move on to how to create posters. But these all activities becomes very simple to all of us. There is no need that the person should have a good knowledge in computers. They should, there is enough knowledge to they can have a basic knowledge of computers to just click, drag and save. So let us start with the thing. So Canva will go for a hands-on training. Okay, so when you press Canva, so just go to the Google page, just type Canva. You may get that web page. Just get into that, and it is a free application. And there is one more thing, Canva Pro, that we have to pay. But for our purpose, this free thing is more than enough. So this is how your homepage will shows, and you have to get into that web page by signing up. Signing up, it's very simple. You can sign up with Gmail or Google account or Facebook, anything else. It is enough to get into your application. So first, let us start with a few. See, I have created few examples. So I have created some video and one PPT I have designed. Let me show that. Then we can step into that. How, then let us step into how to create these designs. So this is the video I have just simply I have created. You can play the video. See, the image alone will be coming up, and it becomes very simple also. And even though the PPT was shown in the first was designed using Canva, See the PPT. And it becomes very simple by using Canva. So let us start with the presentation. So if you want to design a presentation, then you can go for home, just select presentation. See here, the number of templates will be displayed. N number of templates are there. You can choose any one of the template to design your presentation. So if I'm clicking for, already I have shown this town hall meeting type. So let us go for any other thing like we select coaching for success. See here, you can see that this presentation may have 19 different pages. Okay, you can create your presentation with all these backgrounds. Let us start with the first one. You have to add just by clicking, and you can click this. When the image come to your design area, you can edit the text. It's very simple. You can edit the text. So let us start with my own subject. So I'm going to prepare some PPT for C programming classes. Just type it. It's very simple. And you can give your name, or you can add your college name. Even you can add your text also. So if you want to add a text, just go to the side area of the window. You may find T. I hope you are, is it visible? You may find T. Just select it, and you can find variety of designs there. If you want to add heading, just press add heading, will be coming here, and you can drag these text box wherever you require. So tutorial. Okay, next. If I'm now I'm moving to the next slide. So when you're going for the next slide, just press template. So this template will give a different backgrounds. So if you want anything, you can select from this. If I want to add with, if I want to add some contents with images, then I can go this. So this is the image part area. You can add your photos very easily, but only thing you have to upload your images in Canva. Let me show. Here some of the predefined photos are there. You leave it. If you want your own images, then we can say here already I have added some images. So now if you want to add some images from your Google, just go to the Google. Just press images. You may find some images. Just download the image. So already I have created one folder in my laptop, so that my this image is automatically getting saved in that folder. Now you just go to the Canva. Here, what we have to do, just open the document, open the folder. Here is the folder. Select which image you require. You have to select the image which you require and drag it and put it here. Just select and drag and put it here. It becomes very simple, and the image will be uploaded. Once the image is uploaded, you can just drag the image and put here. And you can adjust the image, resize the image, adjust the image. Then you can adjust your text box also. If something is not needed, then you can delete that by selecting that, press delete button. Even the text box also, just pressing I have deleted. So contents, introduction, data types, just creating, then control structures. So, so these are the content I'm going to create here. So likewise, you can add more presentations, more slides here. Once you complete this, after completing, I have created two. Once you complete creation of your PPT, then even whenever the texts are there, you can change the size of the text. Let me show how we are changing the size of the text. Just clicking the text area. This is called as text area. And you can go here and you can change the title, right? Okay. You can change the text color also. Here there are many colors. I've changed the color. And these are the basic formatting techniques of text: bold, italic, underline. And you can align the texts also. And this is used for listing your contents. For example, here we have some list. No, you can select this and just press. You may get this type of bulletins. Even you can change it as numbers, and you can give spacings between lines. And there are options. Even you can download this PPT by pressing this. If you want to make it as a presentation, see, when I'm pressing this, this could be converted as a video and it will be downloaded, but this portion of this facility is payable. We don't want to, we are not in need of that one. Just go to the presentation. See, now I have completed this PPT. Now I have to save this. So save to folder. For that, simply you go for the file menu as like your Word document, and you can save, or else you can save in a folder. So just I'm saving this thing into a folder. You can create a new folder by pressing. Now created. So let me have some other name. You can create a folder and just pressing that, the folder will be opened and you can save there. So if you want to view the presentation which you have done and already saved, just go here, go to the home, recommended for you. Then below that you may find that all your designs. Now we can see this. So whatever you have created, you can see all your designs here. Just by pressing, it will be open in a different window. Now I want to, this content is available in Canva. Wherever you require, you can download it. Let us see how we can download this file from the Canva. Just go. You can share this document to your mail ID also. See, on the top of the web page, you may find present. Just press that. Here you are having an option download. See, if you are pressing download, you can change the types. This is a video file, and you can convert this presentation as a PDF standards, GIF files, image files, Likewise, you can convert the file in a different file formats, but I don't want that. I need the presentation, right? So just press that Microsoft PowerPoint, because it may be editable later if we are having in our own system. Just press that. It has only 2 pages. It show all the details about your presentation. Just press download. You may see the document is getting downloaded. So continue editing. Okay. So now the file is ready now. C programming PPTX. Just open the file. Whenever you are editing your Microsoft files, you have to press enable editing. Then it will allow you to edit. So this is how you will get your presentation. See, just I'm comparing this PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint with Canva. See, whenever I'm trying to create some new presentation here in Microsoft, we may not get more backgrounds, right? So just select here. See, there are only fixed things. You may see this. But when we are going to the Canva for presentation, you may get number of slides depending upon your needs. It may be, see here, let me show all the, so when you press presentation, so these are the things recently used, and we have number of categories in background of the presentation, company presentation. If you want to present something about your company, then you can select this. If you want to present some marketing presentation, then you can, there are predefined templates are available, you can use it. When we are looking for education, then you can select education presentations. Likewise, all the presentations were easily categorized, and we can select from that also. So this is about your presentation. Next, we'll move on to the poster design. So by pressing this, you can easily get the poster. Yeah, there are many posters. As like the PPT, it is also very simple. Just select the type of the poster which you require. I'm going to create some poster for the college admission. Okay, for that. So here is the, you can have your college name. So this code is more than enough. If you want to change the code, you can change it. If I want to change the photograph, it is also easy. I told already we have uploaded few photos. I have shown how to upload the photos also. Just go for photos. Again, you may get all predefined photos. If you want to look of your own photo, then you have to go for uploaded images. Here I have already downloaded the college image of Hindustan College. Just I'm dragging and putting here. It almost fixed. I don't want to do any changes. Likewise, you can create your own posters. Even as like that, you can save it. The poster has been designed, and this is the print preview of your poster. See, when you press print posters, this is the label. It is on the top of your web page. Okay. Likewise, like our presentation, you can share the link as like Google document, Google present, Google documents, Excel sheets. Likewise, you can create a share link and you can share the link also. So as like the presentation, you can download your poster as a PDF printable format. Even you, let us go for the image. JPG and PNG is in a high quality and small size images. So when we are supposed to transfer some, so before stepping into Certify EM, I hope my screen is visible now.
Yes, sir, visible, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Just go to Google. Just type Certify EM. So it is an additional app which provides the support for our Google automations. Before stepping into that, we have to need some idea about our Certify EM. So Certify EM is used to generate the certificate automatically. So we have to install that. Before using that, we have to install that. So it is an form add-on application. You can see here Certify EM